బ్యాక్ టు న్యూస్. ఏదైనా ప్రమాదంలో గాయపడిన రోగికి తొలి గంట గోల్డెన్ అవర్ గా పిలుస్తారు. గంటలోపు ఆసుపత్రికి తరలించడంతో పాటు ఆసుపత్రిలో అందించే క్రిటికల్ కేర్ అంతే ముఖ్యం. హైదరాబాద్ లో పలు హాస్పిటల్స్ క్రిటికల్ కేర్ లో ఉత్తమ వైద్యం అందించడంలో పోటీ పడుతున్నాయి. అందులో మెహదీపట్నం నానల్ నగర్ ఎక్స్ రోడ్ లోని ప్రీమియర్ హాస్పిటల్ ఒకటి. క్రిటికల్ కేర్ లో హైదరాబాద్ కు చెందిన ప్రీమియర్ హాస్పిటల్ రౌండ్ ద క్లాక్ సర్వీసులు అందిస్తోంది. యువ డాక్టర్ సిద్ధార్థ మద్ద ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఆర్థోపెడిక్స్, న్యూరాలజీ, నెఫ్రాలజీ, జనరల్ మెడిసిన్ విభాగాలతో, ఎమర్జెన్సీ, క్రిటికేర్ విభాగాలతో ఉత్తమ ఐసీయూ, ఎమర్జెన్సీ, ట్యూమా సెంటర్ తో అరుదైన చికిత్స అందిస్తోంది.
Myself Dr. KC Mishra. I am the critical care consultant out here. I have done my post graduation in anesthesia. Afterwards I have done my critical care and working here since last 3 years now. So our hospital is basically, we are promoting as emergency and critical care medicine. So it is like a teamwork. In critical care we have 5 people, all are trained in critical care. So round the clock 24/7 somebody of us will be on duty, so that in the night 2 o'clock also the patient will not feel like that patient has not been properly treated or properly managed. So that is the most important thing which has to be like focused in any hospital, what we are doing here. So critical care is an emerging branch right now in all over the world. Now this is the thing which is emerging as in India also. In most places in Hyderabad still they don't have 24/7 critical care specialists in the night and day and every time. Mostly daytime somebody will be there, in the night time nobody will be there to take care of the patient, only DMOs, and they are not properly trained in critical care who are managing the patient in the night time.
I have done my post-graduation in accidents and emergency medicine from Chennai, after which I have worked for a short period in London. After that I have come back to India and now I am working here since the last 3 years. Emergency medicine as such is a very specialized field. We take care of any kind of emergencies, be it heart attack, stroke, burns, trauma, accidents, poisonings. So the golden hour, that when the patient reaches the hospital, what needs to be done in the first 1 hour, we do that. We stabilize the patient and then the patient is either shifted to the ward or the ICU, whatever is appropriate.
భవిష్యత్తులో ఎమర్జెన్సీ క్రిటికేర్ కు ప్రాముఖ్యత పెరగనుందని డాక్టర్ అంటున్నారు.
Critical care, why critical is critical care means, you see, the patient will be in a dying condition when the patient will be admitted in the critical care. So initially when the patient is reaching to the hospital, the emergency medicine, our team is like really well trained in emergency. They are doing the initial stabilization of the patient, and the patient will be shifted to critical care or ICU. When the patient is coming to us, there will be like every minute, every hour counts, where within a minute if you are not thinking properly what should be the diagnosis, how we should go for the case, maybe you will not have a second chance for those cases. We have good number of cases where we have treated nicely, even some cardiac arrest patient where the heart stopped, where we have done CPR, which like cardiopulmonary resuscitation, we could get back the patient in 15 minutes, 20 minutes. They walked home, walked out of the hospital. So recently we have done one case, Mir Sardar Ali. He came in a cardiac arrest situation. There was no heart, no pulse, nothing, for which we have to do CPR for around 10 to 15 minutes. Afterwards we could